This is the calibration bench we use and we test is the 20 millimeter wattmeters. And each calibration bench can test 7 pieces wattmeters. Now the first step is to fix all the wattmeters on the calibration bench. And we follow the flow direction and make it tight. Installation very perfectly. Then we open the main valve to eliminate all the airs in the pipe. Eliminate all the bubbles. Okay, done. And next we do the pressure test. The pressure is 16 bars. We need to wait for 1 minute to check if there is any leakage of the wattmeters. You can see there are no leakage of all the wattmeters, so the pressure test is passed. First, we need to record each initial wattmeter data and to compare with the wattmeter past the nominal flow. Now we open the main valve to test and now we press the cylinder bottom valve to test the nominal flow. Now the nominal flow will go through each wattmeters. When it reaches 100 liters, it will close the valve automatically. Okay, it reached, and the machine is done now. Now we record the final data of nominal flow. And we calculate each error for each wattmeters. You can see all the errors are permissible range. Now we test the transitional flow for each wattmeters. When the volume reaches 10 liters, it will close automatically. You can see all the wattmeters now stop. And the worker needs to record the data and compare again. And here's the result of the transaction flow. Now we start to test the minimum flow. And now it reached 10 liters of the volume. The switch closes automatically. We can see all the water meters stop. And now we record the final data of each watt meters of the minimum flow. And we can see all the errors are not exceed 2%, and all the water meters pass.